Okay, to do a parallel kit for the generator. Now, the one I'm going to show you now happens to work for the Westinghouse. I have the Westinghouse, pretty much any Westinghouse. The Westinghouse doesn't have the banana clips. If you have a generator, an inverter generator, without the banana clips, then this thing will work. Now, see, I have the two Westinghouses. Now, I have the 6,000 watt Yamaha back there, but I'm not taking that big baboon camping with us. So I'm taking those little guys. So what I did was I was going to order one online, but they're so back ordered on those stupid things. I'm going camping next weekend, dry camping. So I figured what I'd do is make this little video. Now this is a 50 amp plug. Now, no, it's not gonna have 50 amp capability, but it'll have 30 amp capability, or 40 amp capability. So I use this way. It eliminates on my camper, since I have a 50 amp plug. I have a fifth wheel. It eliminates me having to do another adapter plug. So these are your two hots, hot and hot, neutral, ground. So what you do is you put a jumper. So I did my two hots. Now you don't want to do them separate. I did two hots, and I actually used a white jumper between them, which is the wrong thing to do. But look, it's what I happen to have. I didn't have the black wire. I didn't want to strip these and make one shorter than the other. And I just used the SJ cord. I only use 12 gauge SJ. That's good for 20 amps, and that's what those generators are good for. So, or just about 20. So I used the two SJs going into there. Now you see, you got your ground, your two hots, so that brass colored, your neutral. And then on this one, the same thing. If you're looking at a receptacle, facing it this way with the ground on the bottom, the clip on your left is going to be positive. It's going to be positive. Well, black. Let's just call it that. I shouldn't say positive. So black. So I went black, neutral, ground. And I'm going to do that with the other one right now. With that, I'm going to put this cap on there. And that will actually work. So that's how I did it. I got a 1900 box, 50 amp plug, 12 gauge SJ cord. I got them 6 foot long each. And that's it. It took me 10 minutes to do it. Cost me under probably $15, $18. So that'll work. It'll keep me going. So I hope this helped anybody trying to do it. You can do it yourself. Just keep your colors together. And it is I'm going to call it the dead man plug, because what I was going to do is put a switch on one, because if you do use this plug, the other one is going to be hot and you could touch it. So that's not a good thing. So what I was going to do was try to get a double gang box and actually put a switch on these legs so I could turn them off if I wasn't using them. But for this project, I'm just going to do it simple, just like this. And that's it. If someone pulls the plug out, they put themselves in a little danger. But I'm going to do a double switch so I can turn off both of these wires. I'm going to put another box right next to it, nipple it through. And I'm going to put these on switches so I can switch off one leg at a time. But for now, this is what I did. Hope that helped anybody doing this.